Why is my Netgear router not connecting to the internet?
Hey there! Welcome to this troubleshooting video where we'll explore the possible reasons why your Netgear router is not connecting to the internet. We understand how frustrating it can be when you're unable to get online, but don't worry. We'll go through some common issues and their potential solutions to get your router back up and running in no time.
Check the physical connections.
The first thing we should check is the physical connections of your Netgear router. Make sure that the power cable is securely plugged into the router and a working power outlet. Additionally, ensure that the Ethernet cable is properly connected from your modem to the router's WAN or internet port. Double-checking these connections is crucial to ensure that there are no loose cables causing the issue.
Power cycle your devices.
Sometimes, a simple power cycle can resolve connectivity problems. Start by turning off your modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning them back on. Begin by powering on your modem and wait for all the lights to stabilize. Then, power on your Netgear router. This process helps refresh the network connections and often resolves connectivity issues.
Verify internet service from your ISP.
It's essential to make sure that your internet service is functioning correctly. Contact your internet service provider, ISP, to verify if there are any service outages or disruptions in your area. They can also assist you in troubleshooting any potential issues on their end that might be affecting your connection. It's always a good idea to rule out problems with your ISP before proceeding to other troubleshooting steps.
Check router settings.
Accessing your router settings is another important step in troubleshooting the connection issue. Open a web browser and enter your router's default IP address, which is often 192.168.1.1 inches or 192.168.0.1. You'll be prompted to enter your router's login credentials. If you haven't changed them before, the default username and password can be found in the router's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Once you're in the router settings, verify the following: internet connection type. Ensure that the connection type is set correctly based on your ISP's requirements. Common options include DHCP, PPPoE, or static IP. DNS settings. Verify that the DNS settings are set to either obtain DNS server automatically or enter the appropriate DNS server addresses provided by your ISP. Firmware updates. Check if there are any available firmware updates for your Netgear router. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues, and updating it might resolve the problem.
Factory reset the router, if necessary.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Please note that performing a factory reset will erase all your customized settings, so it's crucial to back up any important configurations beforehand. Look for a small reset button on your Netgear router and press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a paperclip or a similar object. This will restore the router to its default settings. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router with the appropriate settings provided by your ISP, such as the internet connection type and login credentials. Refer to the router's manual or contact your ISP for assistance if needed. We've covered some of the common troubleshooting steps to address the issue of your Netgear router not connecting to the internet. Remember, it's essential to check the physical connections, power cycle your devices, verify your internet service with your ISP, and review your router settings.